Good evening everyone, this is Harpreet as a maths teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one work as we have started the 10th chapter of class 10th maths circles topic we have started. We studied about the circles and its tangents. So let us recall that one previous one work and then we will do the next work also. So here we have done into the previous one work. If we have given a circle and any one point, through the one point there is a line which touches the circle also, then that line is called as a tangent of a circle, right? Now through that one point which is common of the circle and the tangent also, that point is called as a point of contact. Okay, so here we can say xy is a tangent and a is a point of contact. Through the point of contact the radius, as the center is O, the radius is perpendicular to the tangent of a circle, which we studied the 10.1 exercise. Now the topic is, if there is a circle and if there are from an exterior point, there are the two tangents. As suppose here is a one tangent and another one more tangent is there. Suppose here is a point of contact and B point of contact. Let the exterior point is P, then from the center this one. And then we can say here it is a perpendicular here also and from the center to B also. Then we have to prove that as PA and PB both are equal to each other. That is the theorem number 10.2. So let us do it now. Here I have written the statement 10.2, that is the lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Mean to say we have given that there is an exterior point as P. Through the P there are the two tangents are drawn as PA and PB. Through the point of contact is A and B. Then we have to show that these tangents PA and PB are equal. So into the given part we will write here, as in the circle with center O, P is an exterior point through which PA and PB are the tangents drawn. Okay, and into the two proof we will write here PA is equal to PB we want to prove. So let us start it now. Here we will do the construction join OP. Here we will join the OP, and in which there are the two triangles are formed. One is the POA and another is a POB. We will prove that these two triangles are congruent, and then we will say by the simplicity PA and PB are equal to each other. So here we will start the proof. Firstly we will write here as angle OAP. Angle here is a OA is perpendicular to PA on the tangent, as into the theorem 10.1 we have done tangent through the point is perpendicular to the radius on point of contact. This is the 10.1 theorem which we studied yesterday. Okay, so this implies here we can write angle OAP is equal to 90 degree. It is the first one part. Similarly, we can write here OB is also perpendicular on the PB. So we can write here angle OBP is also 90 degree, which is the second part. Okay, now we will start the congruency. Here the congruency is, let us see the congruency in the triangle POA and triangle POB, in which we can write here angle OAP is equal to angle OBP, each 90 degree. Okay, and then here we will write OP equal to OP, which is the common side of them. Common side. Then OA is equal to OB. It is the radii of same circle. So we have used here both are the 90 degree as into the part first and second we proved here both are the 90 degree. OP is the common part. OA is equal to OB. So one is the right angle, it's a hypotenuse and side. So by RHS concurrency we proved triangle POA is congruent to the triangle POB. This implies we can say here PA is equal to PB, which is the required result which we want to prove. So hence we can say here as if the two tangents are drawn for the one circle, then both tangents will be equal to each other. Now let us use this one work into the any question here from the 10.2 exercise. Okay students, I have written the 8th question from the 10.2 exercise. It is says that a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Proof, we have to prove this one. Circumscribe means to say a circle inside and a quadrilateral is outside. So that's why it is written quadrilateral circumscribe a circle. Outsider is a quadrilateral. Then we have to prove this one. Opposite sides sum. Both are equal. AB plus CD is equal to BC plus AD. This we want to prove. So in the given part I have written like as this. So where the circle is touches to the these one line segments of the quadrilateral, the points name is P, Q, R and S, right? So here we have to, if we will use that one theorem as we proved now, 10.2 theorem, that is from the exterior point the length of the tangents are equal to each other. So we can say here as A, B, C and D are the exterior points of circle. So we can say here from through the A point to the P. AP is a tangent and AS is a tangent. So we can write here AP is equal to AS. From the B point here is BP is equal to BQ. From the C point it is CR is equal to CQ, and then DR is equal to, here will be as DS. So these points we have written. Suppose it is the, these all are the equations, 4 number equations, and here we will write the reason as length of tangents are equal from an exterior point of a circle. Okay, so all have the same reason. So we will now add all these parts. Ultimately, obviously we have written AP and BP. If we will add all these terms by adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you can see on the left hand side, here is a AP plus BP plus CR plus DR. These are added, and on the right hand side it will be AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now you can see if we will add these two terms AB plus BP into the diagram, then we will approach here AB, and CR and DR these are added, then it makes as a CD. Then AS and DS these are added, then it makes as a AD, and BQ and CQ it makes as a BC. So this is the required proof which we want to prove here in this one question. Okay dear students, we have proved now as a 10.2 exercise, and related same topic question we have also done. If you have any query then you can ask me and into the Zoom session, and thank you. Have a nice day.